Hey guys, it's Maylee, and today I will be teaching you how to make simple butter slime with these few ingredients. The first thing you'll need is glue, and I have this on the side. Right now it's Elmer's school glue. Then you'll need some foaming hand soap, and I'm just using this one from the Dollar Tree. Then you'll need some lotion, activator, and diso clay, and of course something to mix your slime with. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my glue. I poured in about half a cup. Then I'm going in with my foam soap. I'm going to put a few pumps. The more you put in, the more fizzy your slime is. Then I'll be adding some lotion. About 1 teaspoon. And then you just mix it all up. And you can add your scent and food coloring as well. At this point, you want to add your activator. I am using 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of water. And you want to add that in gradually so your slime won't become hard. And I got this at Daiso, this ketchup bottle. After you finish kneading, this is how your slime should be. It should be a little sticky so that your clay won't dry your slime. Now that you have made your slime, and this is like basic slime, you want to take your Daiso clay, any color works, of course. I just have green right now. And Daiso clay is a very soft clay. If you just press the sides, it'll just mold into anything. And this is the fun part where you add your clay into your slime. So what you normally would do is place the slime on top, but you could also make designs with your slime. Your butter slime should be really soft and spreadable, like this. And very stretchy. And at this point, you could add different add-ins like foam ball, more foam soap, more lotion, fake snow, instant snow, all those different things to make your butter slime more texture like it has more texture. Right now I'm going to add more foam soap so it's more sizzly. And I personally like adding foam soap after making my butter slime. I don't know why, it just feels like it's going to be more sizzling. When it starts to become sticky, you want to add your activator. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe tutorial. Comment below other recipes you'd like me to try, something that I haven't done before, because it'll be just like a repeat.